In this movie tutorial, we are going to discuss one of the most important features you'll find within Nuendo. It is called the pool. The pool is considered a central holding area for all audio and video material that you will be using throughout a specific project. Think of the pool as the filing cabinet for your office, which contains the core information vital to running your business. Each project will have its own pool, and in doing so, it helps keep all your audio and video material organized per project, preventing any mix-ups or misplacements of files, or even worse, possibly losing your precious and valuable recordings. First, let's take a look at the interface and get ourselves familiar with the layout of the pool. There's two ways to get to the pool. First, using the pool menu and choosing Open Pool Window. Second, clicking on the pool window icon in the project toolbar. The pool is managed through a single window interface. In this interface, you'll find a common toolbar with useful functions like play, loop, volume sliders, which are used for auditioning material within the pool, view parameters to show or hide useful file information, and an import and search button. The import button is used for importing supported files directly into the pool. The search button opens a built-in search engine that allows you to quickly browse your hard drives and other media for any specific audio files you may be looking for to import into your project. You also have useful information provided to you, giving you the location of the pool folder for this project, as well as the folder used for the project itself. Next is the main pool window. Here you'll find three main folders: your audio folder, which will contain all supported audio files, the video folder, containing all supported video files, and the trash, used to keep any unwanted files out of the main pool until you are sure you're ready to delete them permanently from your hard drive. Now let's take a close look at the key functions you'll be using most within the pool. First is the importing of media into the pool by using the Import button. When clicking this button, a file browser window will appear, allowing you to find the files you would like to import. By default, Nuendo will show all supported file types, but you can also click on the File Types field and view a list of all the formats Nuendo supports. For now, we'll choose the All Supported File Types option. Once you find a file you want, simply click on it to highlight, and you are given the ability to preview it using the built-in transport located to the right. A small navigation bar allows you to navigate within the file should you decide to load a long audio file. Now simply click Open to choose the file and bring it into the pool. Now the Import Options window gives you some choices on how to handle the files it's about to import. First is whether it copies the file into the project folder, or if it leaves the file in its original location and simply makes a reference to it. This is a very important option. If you want to keep everything organized and within the same song folder, it's best to always choose this option, unless you know for certain that you're only using this file temporarily and you won't need it for the remainder of the project. Other options are given to ensure that the format of the audio file matches with the format settings chosen for the entire project. Once the file is imported, you are given a wealth of information on this file, including sample rate, bit depth, length, format type, when it was created, and more. All of this is very useful information for just about any purpose, especially when you're sharing files amongst others participating or collaborating within the project. Now, by right-clicking on a PC or control-clicking on a Mac on any individual file or group of files, you are given a wealth of audio file context menu options. This large list offers you very useful functions like Insert into Project, which allows you to specify exactly where you want to place the file into your project timeline, as well as audio editing tasks, and even apply plugins to the audio file for offline processing. Notice that you can also double-click on the file to open up the sample editor and immediately begin editing the audio material. But we'll take a more in-depth look at the sample editor in the editing topic. Okay, now that we've gotten a grasp of the layout and the functions involved within the pool, let's take a quick rundown through the normal process to get a feel of the workflow in using the pool. I've got a project here with some synths and other instruments already in place. But I want to try out adding a few beat loops to see if any of them might work. So we'll open the pool and click on the Import button. Now I'll navigate to a folder where I keep some of my beat loops archived. I'll audition a few of them quickly to get an idea of which ones to try and then import them. Okay, now that I have them in the pool, I can drag them directly into an existing audio track, or I can drag it below into an empty area and it'll create a new one for me. Once it's in the project layout and on an audio track, I'm ready to begin experimenting with the arrangement and mixing these beats within my project. So in summary, we've learned that the pool is a central location to manage and maintain all your audio and video material. Always remember that it is your home base in regards to the core elements that make up your songs, your scores, or other audio-video related projects. It is also essential to helping you keep your data organized and easy to find within each and every project. In-depth format and location information, as well as editing facilities, are just some of the useful tools you'll find within the pool. Throughout the CSI training environment, we'll come back to some of the other features in the pool, including how to place material from the pool into the project layout in the recording topic.